Welcome back to my channel, where you can learn phrases in Egyptian Arabic. My name is Ranim, and today's topic is pretty interesting. We will be talking about telling time. So if you're interested, keep watching. Before we start, let's just know some basic words we're going to need very soon. How to say what time is it in Arabic? الساعة كام؟ الساعة كام؟ الساعة is watch or hour. كام it is how many, how much. الساعة كام؟ How to say quarter or 15 minutes? We say ربع. ربع. What about third? We say تلت. تلت. And half, we say نص. نص. Another thing we need to know is how to say minus or to the hour. We say إلا. إلا. The last thing is how to say past the hour or plus. We just say و. و. Try not to forget all of these. And now we're ready to get right into it. Let's imagine that the time is 2 sharp. We say 2 بالضبط. 2 بالضبط. 2 sharp. What if it's 5 past 2? We say 2. You remember past? و 5. 2 و5. You already know the numbers, right? You'll find the link here. Okay, we go on. If it's 10 past 2, we say 2 وعشرة. 2 وعشرة. Simple. Okay, what about 15? You remember 15? How to say quarter? It is 2 وربع. 2 وربع. 2:20 will be 2 و you remember the third? تلت. 2 وتلت. What if it's 2:25? That is the tricky one, I tell you. How can we say that? Do you want to think about it? I can give you some time to think about it. هي الساعة كام؟ What's up? How was it? Did you guess it? Let me tell you how to say it. 2 ونص إلا 5. 2 ونص إلا 5. Tricky, right? What if it's 2:30? Do you remember how to say half? نص. 2 ونص. 2 ونص. Okay. 2:35. 2 ونص و5. 2 ونص و5. What if it's 2:40? Think about it. If it's related to 3, how can we make it? 3 إلا تلت. 3 إلا تلت. 2:45. We say 3 إلا again quarter ربع. 3 إلا ربع. Okay, hang on. We're almost there. What if it's 250? 3 إلا 10. 3 إلا 10. 255. 3 إلا 5. 3 إلا 5. And then we go back again to 3 sharp. 3 بالظبط. 3 بالظبط. That was today's video. If you think it was useful, please subscribe to my channel to learn more. And I will see you soon. Ciao, ciao!